a blizzard. Alright, it is Sunday, July 5th. I think it's like 10. We did another late start. Like, I made all my, like, photo or fast passes, like, starting, like, later than 10 just because, you know, this is a chill trip, so we don't need to be up at 8. Well, we are up at 8, but we don't need to be resort at 8. So anyway, we're leaving it. First reservation, sorry, I can't even speak this morning. Our first fast pass is 10:55 for Tower Terror. So we're walking to the Skyliner again. And yeah. So today is supposed to be, I think, the hottest day of the trip. So it's only like going to be 93, but it's going to feel like 100. Here, get over to the right a little bit. So, yeah. And I think it's going to storm at 3. So we're going to try to get everything done before I play then. Come back to the room for a short break. And then we're going to go to Magic Kingdom tonight. They're doing their 4th of July fireworks one last time. So we want to see that. And then that'll be it. And I'm going to leave tomorrow morning. I'm just gonna record. Okay. So we're at Hollywood Studios. I just wanted to show you this collar collection because it's so cool. So in each collar, so they have each back charm is different. So there's the black one. How about the orange one? What? 1 second. This is the blue one. And there's the pink one. And then the green one. I just think this whole collection is so cool.
Is Moana a princess?
Yes, it is Moana. Alright, sorry, I thought I was recording and I was not. We're just walking this way because I think Abby wants some coffee before Tower Terror. So honestly, we took the Skyliner for Pop Century and it was so fast. Like, we literally, no wait on either Skyliner because you do have to switch Skyliners. So you have to take 2 different ones to get to Hollywood Studios. And it was like, just walked off one, I walked on the other one, no wait at all. Got here like less than 15 minutes, walked straight in, walked straight through security. Alright, we're in the new courtyard for the Muppets. Food by Swedish Chef. What? Alright, we'll get in line if you want to get it.
Well, no, we gotta do the ride first.
Okay. Alright, so you want to get it after the ride?
I can't drink it on too.
Okay. So cool.
It's 10-4.
Huh?
I'm like, how do you know that line?
What?
I think it's 10-4.
No, I did not say 10-4. So, the Swiss printing machine must be inside now. Hey, come here. Do you want a picture? Hey, let me get... Alright, we just got on the Skyliner. It is, what time is it?
I don't know.
Did you lose your phone?
It's 3:33.
3:33. The storm is like, I don't know if you can see through the wrap. It's very dark to the left. It's thunder and lightning to the left. It's normal to the right. So we have to see if we're gonna be able to make it home on the Skyliner or not, because
I have to get struck by lightning and Disney pays us.
I don't think that's gonna happen. So.
But then I don't have to work.
So to the right, that's the buses for Hollywood Studios. This actually is not that busy. It wasn't. Would you consider that busy?
No.
No, it really wasn't.
I mean, the line still had long waits. So. Oh my god.
But wasn't something just 25 minutes? Did you see lightning over there?
Yeah, I think that hotel just got struck by lightning. Imagine getting the Tower of Terror to get struck by lightning.
Like, it's literally completely dark cloud to the left and sunny to the right.
That'd be fire if you're on the Tower of Terror to get struck by lightning. You're literally joining the Twilight Zone.
Is that how that works?
Mom, film over here. Go catch a lightning bolt.
Well, it's because of the wrap, you can't really see.
Oh, I can see with my eyes.
Yeah, I understand that, but it has a glare. I'm glad you can see with your eyes. So anyway, did we have a good day at Hollywood Studios today?
No, the freaking bitch didn't give her the Disneyland pin.
Okay, so some guy only let us trade one pin, not two, because I did not get the trivia right.
And it was annoying. He was like, you can blind trade, bitch. We already saw the pin. That's not much of a blind trade. We already saw what the options were. And to get it to make trade, it was just annoying because, like, you could have just given it to me. You could have, like, even if I didn't get the question right, you still could have, like, you're technically not allowed to do that. You can't deny someone it. I mean, you can. You can tell them no if you have time, like, but, like, you can't do that.
So the trivia question was, what type of car does Cruella de Vil drive in the cartoon?
No, what type of car is it based off of?
Oh, based off of.
Bugatti.
And it's a Bugatti. I'm sorry, I did not know that. I said, like, I don't know what I said. Anything but Bugatti. Okay. So I did not know it was Bugatti. So we did not get it right.
And it was a Disneyland pin.
So we're gonna go back to the hotel room for a little bit, take a little mini break, wait till this weather clears, and then we're gonna finish my mini vacation off at Magic Kingdom tonight. And we're gonna go bug Juan at work. Do you know where he's gonna be at, or do we have to hunt him down?
Yeah, I know where he's at.
Okay. Because that's a lot of cars we have to check if we don't know where he's at. Wait, they're not even doing the announcing. Normally isn't a person talking? Like when we get close to the Riviera?
When we get close to it, well.
We're literally getting ready to go down. Oh. Shoot, I think I missed it on the camera. There was lightning to the left. We're getting ready to go down into the Riviera right now. Yeah, they're not. I don't think they have the automated voice going. Oh my god. The other Skyliners do go into the storm, but they're still moving. We might be okay.
Oh, please, my dreams of getting struck by lightning straight into an alligator enclosure.
Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Oh wait, or maybe we go, which way do we go?
We go that way.
We go that way. Actually, we'll be fine. So who's that? That's gotta be...
Epcot's that way. Epcot's getting stormed on right now.
Yeah, like they should be saying something right now, like that you have to get off and switch. There's no voice right now. All right, wish us luck getting on the next one. All right, we're on. I don't know though because her walkie-talkie was going off saying we're on a weather advisory.
We'll take this. It's broken.
Is it off though? All right, so I'm straight ahead. Blue skies. Behind us, not so much. That'd be good. Then we can walk to our room without getting soaking wet. Do you want to go through the gift shop first to check their pins first?
Yeah. Guys, we almost got on the Zootopia one.
We did.
It's not clear skies though. These aren't clear above us. It can start raining right now. We're still right up the low cloudy skies.
Alright, we're getting close to the water where Abby thinks we're gonna get struck by lightning and our car is gonna fall off in the water and we're gonna drown.
No, we're being eaten by alligators.
I'm sorry, we're gonna get eaten by alligators. This is what she worries about. I just don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, I think we have a better chance of winning the lotto.
No, because then we're gonna die and Dad's getting a lot of money
to
into
the
the wrong
right
form.
is Disney's Art of Animation Resort, a larger-than-life resort that celebrates the
What?
creative magic that goes into crafting Disney animated films, from sketches to reality. On your left is Disney's Pop Century Resort,
Yeah,
a
that's where
memorable
we're at.
resort
On your left!
that celebrates the way we lived, played, and communicated with each other throughout the 20th
This is the
century.
Art of Animation parking lot. There's literally nobody at Art of Animation.
Because these are the safes we go at Pop Century. They chose the cheaper one.
And then you go to Pop Century and there's not a single parking spot. It might be now because everyone left today.
We are now gliding over the sparkling waters of Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
You think this thing has safety mechanisms that it hits water and the doors open? Because the water's not open, we'll just drown.
In just a few moments, we will be arriving at the only floating Skyliner station at Walt Disney World Resort. Passengers can disembark
It's the only
here
floating
for
one.
Disney's Pop Century Resort and for Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
It appears to me
Thank
that
you for
it's not
flying
floating
the
and it's
Disney
actually
Skyliner. Bon voyage!
Bon voyage!
Was it lightning?
The Epcot Bowl just got Tower of Terror definitely just got struck by lightning.
There's no way.
You did not see that.
Okay.
Tower of Terror is the Twilight
Please
Zone.
remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your
Let's
steps.
go look at the art of
Thank you
animation.
for flying with
I have to supervise you.
Let's go look at the art of animation.
Sentados hasta que las puertas
I am carrying so much stuff.
automáticamente.